Hey, welcome back to Unknown Discovery. Did you notice what I did in the beginning of the video? I was creating vibration in the air to create sound. Sound is created when the particles in a medium like solid, liquid or gas vibrates. This happens all the time and all around us when we speak, play instrument and shut the door. Yes, even when we flush the toilet, except in vacuum. No, not that vacuum, this vacuum. Sound travels in the air at a speed of 340 meters per second. Sound is measured in decibels. Rainfall and rustling of leaf will produce 30 to 50 decibels. A normal talk is about 60 decibels. A siren of an ambulance or a police car will produce 125 decibels. You can't hear this kind of sound for too long because it will damage your hearing. About 140 decibels will cause pain in our ears and definitely damage your hearing. The loudest sound event in the world that may kill you on the spot is the Saturn V rocket, about 204 decibels. Most people think that loud sound will damage your hearing, but there are some sound that you cannot hear. Still, it can cause damage to your hearing. For an example, hear this. Don't worry, just kidding. The infrasound you just heard is not going to damage your ears because you hear it all the time in horror movies at minimal amount. Our brain is actually powerful enough to pick up those frequencies which are not sensed by our sensory organs. Filmmakers like David Lynch know this and they make use of this technique to keep you on your toes while watching movies. Also, we are unable to hear high frequencies above 20 kHz. But some animals can hear this, like our furry friends. Here, play this next 5 seconds to your cat or dog and watch how they react to the frequencies. Sound can be directional, but this can only happen in the air. You can kinda guess where the sound is coming from most of the time. But believe it or not, this is not the case underwater. Sound travels 5 times faster in the water than it does in the air. Traveling that fast, both our ears detect sound almost exactly at the same time. That's one reason why the sound seems to come from all directions at once. The sound wave in water pass directly into your head. Talking about waves, check out my video on how you like that to understand more about light waves. Our ears plays an important role in our lives. There are sounds all around us to hear, so you should take care of your senses. But how our minds perceive stimuli? Is everything that we perceive true to us? Stay tuned, we will find that out in the next video. And leave a comment and like this video if you enjoy this. And it's always keep discovering. Subscribe also, Are you like that? Are you like that? Are you like that? Are you like that?